My name is Jess, and today we're going to be making a pair of tassel earrings inspired by one of my favorite movies, Breakfast at Tiffany's. This project only takes a small amount of fabric, so I encourage you to use some scraps. So let's get started.
First, start by gathering your supplies. You'll need some scraps of faux leather or cork fabric, a set of earrings. There are a variety of earrings available depending if you have pierced ears or wear clip-ons like me. You'll need 2 jump rings, scissors, pliers, and some hot glue or fabric glue. First, attach 1 jump ring to each earring. Use your pliers to ease the jump ring open, hook it on, and then close it up again. To open and close jump rings, twist the ring rather than pulling the ends apart. This will prevent the shape of the jump ring from distorting, and it makes it easier to line the ends up again. Next, cut 2 2-inch by 2-inch pieces for the tassels and 2 1/4-inch by 1 1/4-inch pieces for the connectors. On the wrong side of each tassel piece, mark a horizontal line 3/8 inch down from the top edge. Using a rotary cutter or scissors, cut the tassel fringe from the bottom up to the marked line, about 1/4 inch apart across the entire width. If you'd like, you can cut 1/8 inch apart for more delicate fringe. Apply hot glue or fabric glue to the right side of one end of each connector. Position one connector on the left edge of each tassel against the 3/8 inch mark. Then slide the jump ring over the end of the connector so the ring is in the center. Apply glue to the join of the jump ring and also the connector end. Fold the connector in half, matching the short raw edges, and press down to glue in place. Wrap and glue the tassel to itself along the top edge, wrapping as tight as possible. Then you repeat to create your other earring. These earrings are especially addicting to make, and they pair great with our Breakfast at Tiffany's inspired eye mask. Make a set of these earrings for yourself, then buy some furniture and give the cat a name. Share photos of your completed project using #Sallie Tomato. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Thanks for watching!